Here's a strange fact. The word computer doesn't mean one specific machine. It's actually a whole category, like putting a huge cargo ship and a tiny paper boat under the same label. They float, sure, but that's where the similarity ends. Computers work the same way. Some fit in your palm, some fill entire rooms, and some do jobs so specific you've probably never even seen one. In this video, we're going to sort through every single type, in order, from the ones you already know all the way to the ones you've probably never heard of. If you're studying this for an exam or just want to actually understand it properly, stick around and let's break it down. Let's start with the biggest one, the supercomputer. A supercomputer isn't one single machine. It's thousands of machines connected together, all working on the same problem at once. That's what gives it insane speed. These machines can do quadrillions of calculations every second. They're used for things like predicting the weather, studying climate change, and running nuclear research. Japan's Fugaku supercomputer is one real example, one of the fastest machines ever built. These aren't something you'll ever own. They live in research labs and cost millions of dollars. So if supercomputers solve huge scientific problems, what do big companies use to run their everyday business? That's where mainframes come in. A mainframe isn't about solving one massive calculation. It's about handling thousands of tasks at the same time without ever failing. Think about a bank. Every second, thousands of people are checking balances or moving money, and all of it has to work perfectly. That's exactly what a mainframe is built for. Banks use them to process transactions, airlines use them to manage flight bookings. A well-known example is the IBM Z series, still used by major banks today. But not every business needs a machine this powerful, so there's a smaller option in between. This is called a mini computer, or a mid-range computer. It's smaller than a mainframe, but stronger than the computer on your desk. Mini computers support many users at once, just on a smaller scale. You'll often find them inside universities and manufacturing plants, running the internal systems that keep things running. They sit right in the middle. Not as powerful as a mainframe, but far more capable than a personal computer. And that brings us to the type most people actually mean when they say computer, the microcomputer. Your laptop, your desktop, your tablet, even your smartphone. They're all microcomputers. The name might sound weak, but it just means the entire processor fits on a single small chip. Microcomputers are built for one person at a time, you. This is the category that changed everything. The reason computers became something almost everyone on Earth could own. There's one more type built for serious, heavy work, the workstation. A workstation looks like a normal desktop computer, but it's far more powerful. Engineers use it to design buildings. Animators use it to render 3D movies and visual effects. It's still built for one person, just like a microcomputer, but with much stronger hardware for handling heavy, specialized work. And the smallest one of all, the embedded system. This isn't a general-purpose computer at all. It's a tiny chip built to do exactly one job and do it perfectly. Look around you. Your microwave, your washing machine, your car, even your smartwatch. Each one has a small embedded computer inside it. Your microwave's chip doesn't need to browse the internet. It just needs to count down the timer and control the heat. These are actually the most common type of computer on the planet, even though most people never think of them as computers at all. And that's every type of computer, from supercomputers solving global problems to the tiny embedded chip inside your microwave. If this helped you understand the topic a little better, hit like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.